No, don't hug me.
Corona.
She's supposed to be 2 meters away from me, but I wonder why she's
No, is this 1 meter?
She's too close.
Okay. Approximately, I think
we're about 6 feet.
We are. But I tested her. She has 0 corona. She's corona free. She's corona free. Are you?
Yeah. Yes.
Hey.
Yes. How are you?
Okay.
How are you?
So guys, of course, you're watching Q Club on QTV.
Yes, we missed you guys a lot. That's why we are back on your screens, and we have a lot of more exciting things practice for you. So
I can't wait.
Don't miss this.
I can't wait to
you
show
can't
you guys
wait.
What we have.
No, your plans are really bad.
And in case you're watching us for the very first time, I'm your girl here, Bridget Zulu.
And I'm Ania Piri.
Thank you so much for watching, and thank you so much that you always like our Facebook page, which is Q Club Zambia. And also, do not forget to send in your selfies.
Yeah, like that's the most exciting part. You just
very much. Selfie! Like, we're not selfish people. We always want you guys to send in your selfies so that you also get to be on the TV screens and show your friends that I was on TV.
I was on Q Club.
How exciting
QTV showed my face. Everyone now knows me. Something like that.
And also, maybe your music videos, your dance videos. Remember, we had a music video. Our friend was singing. She has an amazing voice. An amazing voice.
Just like your voice? Or it's more than your voice?
Which voice? This one.
Yeah,
this one
I know yours.
But anyway, she's just trying to chaff me because there's coronavirus and she wants to give it to me. Mama, I'll sanitize you.
That's offensive.
And do not forget, do not go drink hand sanitizer at the...
Because the person from Chipata who did that.
You don't do that. The alcohol found in hand sanitizer is chemicalized. Then the alcohol found in alcohol that people like Nia drink is it fermented.
Yes, she's the one who was explaining this to me, so I got to learn that. It's actually interesting. I was like, okay, you even know this, can't you? Okay, school is teaching you a lot of things.
You are graduate. So we have so much that we've packed up for you guys. We have animal facts, science facts, and we also have something that we're going to surprise you with. Our celebrity faces. Of course, we do look like some celebrities in Zambia. Lack of celebrities. Guess who I look like?
Please don't tell them. Don't tell them we wait.
Don't tell it to be a surprise.
Don't.
We have our dance video, we have our selfie break, and we do have my culture, and we have our language. Of course, our translations. She's going to be teaching us how to translate words. But a happy belated birthday to my young brother. My young brother. He just turned 10.
He's
grown.
Wow.
He was grown.
I wish I was like him.
He's grown. So say happy belated birthday to my brother.
I'll say it in a special way. Stop forcing me. Not now, you. I have my own style of saying it. Wait.
But do not forget that she was teaching us how to, of course, learn sign languages. My young brother learned something.
Yes.
He always remembers.
Oh my God.
Shout out to my young brother.
What's his name again? Joseph. Oh yes, Joseph, the dude. Okay. Hey Joseph, dude. The fact that
it's nice.
No. Bad manners. He's going to be happy, Joseph.
So nice. So he learned something.
No, I know Joseph knows something. He knows how to say. Okay, what does he know?
He learned how to say, "I am learning sign language." So this is how he says it. I'm learning sign language.
Say that. Oh my God.
I do.
This is amazing, Joseph. I'll actually I'll pay him a visit. I'll come at your place any day. Oh my God.
Come with food for me.
No.
Okay, come and see my brother.
For Joseph. For you.
So if it's your brother's birthday today, your sister, your cousin, happy birthday!
Let's not waste time. They
said don't kiss the coronavirus. So avoid drinking cold water. That will actually lower your immune system.
That's true.
Do drink some hot water if you can. Room temperature water.
Yes, at least.
Eat vegetables and fruits.
If
you're not a fan of vegetables and fruit like me, please become one because I'm actually learning how to be one.
Then wash your hands regularly. Make sure you carry some hand sanitizer like the way Bridget carries, so that when after touching things, then you just you put hand sanitizer at least. Then you should wash your hands regularly because almost everywhere you go, you'll find a bucket of water. At least there's hand wash or soap.
In the correct way. Not
Yes.
waeka manzi mudishi tikakupeze waeka manzi mudishi watenga sopo wambosambira mwemuta.
Oh, hey. This is funny.
It's wrong. That's wrong.
Yeah, it's wrong.
Make sure
Actually,
running water.
Yes, manzi yaenda.
Olo uyatenga jani tiza pretend.
Tone.
Ja, ni jani.
Nikutiliza so.
Mtamba
Like this, something like this.
Like this, it's the correct way. Not waeka manzi mdishi. Mwamene muja. Nimo usambira no sen. No, like you're not being clean. So, talking about personal hygiene and talking about being clean, let's look at our science facts for today.
Yes.
Viruses are very small particles that can infect animals and plants and make them sick. Viruses are made up of genetic materials like DNA and are protected by a coating of protein. Viruses hijack the cells of living organisms. They inject their genetic material right into the cell and take over. They then use the cell to make more viruses and take over more cells. Scientists differ on whether viruses are actually alive or not. Many people say they are non-living because they cannot reproduce without the aid of a host. Viruses also do not metabolize food into energy or have organized cells, which are usually characterized by living things. Characteristics of viruses: they do not have an organized cell structure. They have no cell nucleus. They typically have 1 or 2 strands of DNA or RNA. They are covered with a protective coat of protein called the capsid. They are inactive when not inside a living cell, but are active when inside another living cell. Why are viruses bad? Well, when viruses invade body cells and begin to multiply, they make the host sick. Viruses can cause all sorts of diseases. How do viruses spread? Viruses are very small and lightweight. They can float through the air, survive in water, or even the surface of your skin. Viruses can be passed from one person to another by shaking hands, touching food, through water, or through the air when a person coughs or sneezes. Viruses can also be passed by insect bites, animals, or through bad food. What are some of the examples of viruses? Let's have a look at them. There are many viruses that can infect people and make them sick. One of the most common is influenza, which causes people to get the flu. Other diseases caused by viruses include the common cold, measles, mumps, yellow fever, and hepatitis. How do I avoid getting infected? There are things you can do to help reduce your chance of getting infected by a virus. Here are some few examples. Wash your hands, probably one of the most important ones. Don't put your hands or fingers in your mouth, nose, or eyes. Rubbing your nose or eyes can cause a virus on your hands to infect your body. Make sure your food is well cooked, especially meat. Take your vitamins each day. Get plenty of sleep and exercise. This helps to strengthen your immune system to fight off viruses. How then are viruses treated? There is little that doctors can do to treat viruses. In most cases, our body's immune system fights off the virus. Scientists have developed vaccines that help our bodies to build up immunity to specific viruses. One example of a vaccine is the flu shot. The flu shot helps the body to develop its own defenses against the flu called antibodies. More interesting facts about viruses that you would like to know. Viruses are not classified in any of the 5 kingdoms of living things. This means they are not bacteria, fungi, protists, plants, or animals. Most viruses are so small they cannot be seen with an optical microscope. The word virus comes from the Latin word virulentus, meaning poisonous. Viruses can sometimes attack and kill bacteria. The first human virus discovered was the yellow fever, which was in 1901 by Walter Reed. A virus that contains RNA instead of DNA is sometimes called a retrovirus. There are two main types of reproductive cycles for viruses: the lytic cycle and the lysogenic cycle. Diseases that are caused by a virus with the lytic cycle shows symptoms much faster than viruses that are caused by a lysogenic cycle. Now that you know all about viruses, wash your hands regularly. Don't put your hands or fingers in your mouth or nose or eyes, or rubbing your nose or eyes. Get plenty of sleep, exercise, and this helps to strengthen your immune system and fight off viruses.
And did you know that she got a 1 in science?
No.
Don't embarrass me like that. You did. So learning science is very important. We're just looking at
True.
our science facts and just learning how to be clean, how to master your periodic table, knowing that school is very important. And right here on Q Club, we always take you back to school.
Yes,
If
that's
you think
like
about having fun, we always take you back to
so
school.
we take people back to school. And during this period where people are not going to school, Q Club is ready to teach people a lot of things.
Very much.
So actually, we are good people. Wow, this is interesting. So please don't even miss our show for any reason, because you'll be missing out on a lot of things. Now is the time to watch TV to learn more things on Q Club. Wow.
Very much. So what's our next segment?
Our next segment is animal facts. Some of us are animal lovers. I don't know about the other person here, but let's have our animal facts for today.
Bedbugs are an insect with flat, round-shaped body and usually have a reddish-brown color. The species of bedbug that is a major nuisance to humans is the Cimex lactarius. Bedbugs feed exclusively on blood, and humans are their primary host. Bedbugs can be found anywhere on our planet that has been colonized by humans. A bedbug only needs several minutes to complete a feeding. Adult bedbugs can survive months without feeding. They can survive in a wide range of temperatures. They can survive in temperatures just above freezing and as hot as 122 degrees Fahrenheit. Bedbugs are stealthy and do a great job invading and dictating during the daytime. Bites from a bedbug affect people differently. Some people will show no signs where they were bitten. Others may get a rash or a blister. People with a bedbug infestation can have negative psychological effects and even show symptoms of PTSD, which is post-traumatic stress disorder, long after the infestation has been eliminated. Bedbugs have been found to be infected with 28 different human pathogens. However, no studies have shown these pathogens can be transmitted back to humans. A female bedbug can produce 2 to 3 eggs daily if she is able to feed regularly. This means a female bedbug, under ideal conditions, can produce hundreds of eggs in a lifetime. A researcher by the name of Regina Grice did work on a pheromone trap for bedbugs. She used herself as a test subject and allowed bedbugs to feed on her, resulting in 20,000 plus bites. Bedbugs have evolved to become resistant to pesticides, making it difficult to eliminate infestations. Methods used to eliminate bedbug populations that are resistant to pesticides include vacuuming, steam treating, and heating to temperatures above 122 degrees.
Welcome back. Those were our animal facts for today. I hope you've learned 1, 2, 3, more things. Yes, animal lover.
I learned this is an L. I learned a whole lot of things.
Like,
Yeah. Okay.
but that's a shape of like L. Like,
yes, I. Compared to Momotwang and Tobin. But learning, I. How come they must visit disturbing us? Yes, we know you learned.
and he's among the people who have Tumoboto Ben. Because the signs are all
in the same WhatsApp.
All the signs are just bent. I'm like, why?
Don't do that. You don't do that. So I'm not an animal lover. She is, but I'm not. So don't, on my birthday or anything you want to surprise me, don't
bring something for her.
Don't.
Ekalulu. So moleteleni nyamadikiti. Something like this, like that. She'll be really grateful. Kukugulia njovu ka? I'll bring in Jovo for you.
A unicorn. Do they really? They do exist, right? Unicorns.
I highly doubt.
I highly doubt as well. But if you do watch cartoons, Cinderella,
bring a unicorn.
They do exist. Don't let her influence you. They do exist. If you love animals, continue loving them. It's not me. It's just me who I'm allergic to animals, not because I don't love them. Achoo!
But she does eat animals.
You eat an animal. I'm allergic to
Do you eat animals?
I do eat chicken.
Allergic.
Meat.
Why she's allergic? You said you're allergic. Stop eating them. Please.
Not to live animals.
Oh, okay. I see.
Not cooked, nice cooked and tasty.
I know.
Chicken. Kankoko
Filia.
But guys, keep on learning a whole lot of things. We always teach you guys how to learn every day because learning never ends.
It never
Whether
ends.
you get done with school, you one day get married and have a child like me and Enia. We always bother our parents. We want to learn. If it's me, I'm always on my parents' neck. I want story time. I want to learn story. That's learning. They're teaching me how they're going to narrate stories to me, and how I'm going to narrate them to you guys and to my kids.
Oh, wow.
Yes.
Wow.
Don't be jealous. But anyway, I'm a learning lover. At least I learn and love what I do. So if you're at school and you don't love learning, please, this is the time for you to love
for it.
Because school gets very interesting if you love it.
Kumalas. Especially. And they're still saying, like, I've seen memes where, like, the first day a child is, like, taken to school, they cry.
I doubt if I cried.
Like, people cry, like the small children cry. I want to go home, you know. But they cry because they don't want to be at school. But when it's that time, like it's now like you're in grade 12. It's time for you to finish, to complete. You cry. You don't want to leave school. You want to go back.
Actually, I cry because I want to leave school.
No, some people will actually start crying. I want to go back to school. Bridget.
Guys, no, it's a lie. But anyway, our favorite parts that we always love is the selfie break. So if you guys have sent in your selfies, it's time for us to take a look at our selfie breaks today, not your selfies, of course, their selfies.
The fact that I'm around today, I'm gonna have mine. I was ready to pause.
But
I'll give you mine, don't worry.
No.
Okay.
So if you want to send in your selfies, remember it's on our Facebook page. You will be able. Somebody commented and said we'd want a WhatsApp page.
Seriously.
But we will make sure and do something about it. Shout out to a person who randomly called me yesterday in the morning at I'm from Chipata. I've forgotten your name. I'm sorry. Thank you so much for watching. I'm from Chipata. Thank you so much. We love you. Thank you so much for watching.
I think we should have featured the photo, like the selfie.
She said that she will inbox me on WhatsApp. Right, I'm waiting. Nice. Okay. I don't know where you got my number from, but it's a pretty creepy, weird way.
Okay.
But I love it because you watch our show. So let's go on our selfie break for today. Uncle Nema, take it up.
I don't need a lot of wishes, 'cause I'll be okay if I get one. If I had one wish, we'd be best friends.
Sure thing.
Okay, come on.
Please pick one. Please pick one.
I
hope it's only one.
It's a vibe, you know. Just put a vibe on it. It's healthy to take selfies. It also keeps you memories. Bring back memories. Bring back you. It's their memories. Learn to create memories everywhere you go. If you can, ask from a phone from your neighbor.
iPhone.
I'm one of those people who do that. Like my phone is really bad. Ask and say, "Mpembe ko phone is in Q club because they're doing a selfie break." And
sizalembeka tuweze wapemba. No.
Simalembeka pa phone
Simalembeka, no.
ask for a phone from a near.
From Moffat. This is the one who is always waiting to give people.
No.
Simalembeka.
But do remember that if you don't have a phone, you can go ask from your grandmother.
True.
Very soon we'll be live on our Facebook page. Make sure you catch us. You never know, maybe we're giving out presents. We're giving up a platform for you guys. A free mic to come and do anything right here in Q Club. If you come and sing and come and dance, it'll be for free. Yeah, just come and do everything and meet us because we're gonna show you which celebrities we look alike with. I think when we show you, you'll be coming every day on our Facebook page, not here. Like, on my Facebook page.
On your
Of course, we do have our dance video for today.
Okay, so
dancing is really healthy because I'm seeing you gaining it. It's not healthy.
Okay, it's okay. I know.
No, it is healthy.
It's also a form of exercise.
Yes. But if you're gaining, learn to gain some. Who's gaining among guy in church?
Kazumbo vija. I know.
But let's look at our dance video for today.
People who dance, she's just killing me.
Mwanyanga sako mabonzo nyangani yako. As if you never took biology and the locomotion, you never learned anything about locomotion. Nyangani yako mabonzo. Exactly. Notinga kupheze ndani njeso. No. But do learn to exercise a little bit. Exercising is not all about running. You can also jump
dancing
a little bit,
is also a
dance
form of
a little
exercise.
bit, you know, here and there, and we'll be able to check you
I'll
out.
be joining you each and every day.
Please do.
Am I welcome?
You're welcome. And of course, if you have any talent that you can be having or that you already have, do inbox us and say, "Hi guys, I do have this talent." We're not bad people. We can follow you. We do follow people. We can follow you. Ngaungala kwacha zanga kumtendele mwakalingalinga wakalikiliki. Tibwera will locate you. Sarariso buno bwino. Tibwera kweko will be able to come and shoot any talent that you have. If it's a young brother, your older sister, and a happy birthday to everyone who's having their birthdays today. Do not forget that we're going into a new month. We're already in a new month. So do not forget to prepare yourselves for anything. Do prepare yourself for anything. If you are in a new month, or you're already in a new month, or you are waiting to be in a new month, make sure that you prepare yourselves, that you're ready to welcome anything that will come your way. Don't forget to pray that God is the way, the truth, and
the light.
Of course, if you want
light
eternal life, you know where to get it.
Yes.
And I was waiting for my translations, but before we do translations, we have something to do.
And this is half a right part. Oh no, half a right part.
Our celebrity matchup.
my.
Celebrity, guys. If I tell you I'm a celebrity,
this is a surprise. Just like come across today.
If I tell you I'm a celebrity, never in your life ever doubt me. Because I look alike like some model. I look like some actress. I look like some musician.
And I'm involved in this.
Watching will be your celebrity matchup.
And I'm involved in this.
Yes.
Oh my. Why did I find myself here today?
So we get B, we get Z, show you our celebrity mashup on our TV. We go show you everything from starts to ends, from ends to starts. I look like somebody. But
And she says,
Uncle-
I look like someone. I'm like, okay, seriously? Bring it on, sister. Who do I
Yes.
look like?
so,
Uh-huh.
do you know
Uh-huh.
what's her name again?
Is it Sui?
Sui.
Ah.
Do you used to watch Zua season 1?
Okay.
She looked like Sue.
Oh my.
So Uncle Nema, please put it up on the screen so that people know and see how we look alike. How she looks. How Ania and Sui look alike. Look at the features. They both have black melanin. Dark melanin, so fine. Very good. Very nice. If you can see the features, I think the dental formula as well.
Oh
everywhere.
my. Yes, that's
See?
true.
You've
okay.
seen, you've seen.
Okay. You said the truth there. Okay,
Uma
look here.
features, Fidia. Okay, I'm going
Fidia.
to bring us back. Okay, yes. Look at her now. See, told you guys she looks like a celebrity
yes,
that we
that's
have
good,
located
okay.
in Zambia.
Okay, he's
Now
nice.
it's my turn.
Skin girl.
Yeah. It is my turn to show you guys which celebrity I look like. So, Uncle Nema, please show the people. As you can see, this is somebody who is acting in Zua, Tasha Sosela. I do look like Tasha Sosela.
Bridget
of course.
Sosela.
Bridget Sosela. I think I'll go future as her twin.
Yes.
As a twin. in
That would
Zua.
be amazing, girl.
But we just want to say thank you to these guys who are taking up the art industry.
Yes,
Anything
the
involving
industry.
art and involving anything in Zambia, sports, what? As long as we are together.
we appreciate them. They make our lives more interesting.
And if we do make your lives more interesting, please, you know where to find us on our Facebook page. Just like it and comment and say, guys, I like what she did. And do not forget that we're going to put this celebrity matchup on our Facebook page. You'll be able to comment and say, yeah, guys, you're right on this one. And if we get your photo, we'll be able to locate any celebrity that we know that you look like. Don't forget, if you look like Pompey, no Dina. If you look like Esther Chungu, we'll be able to locate everything. If you sing like her, do make sure that you do mashups. We'll be able to match you guys with the celebrities. Do not forget that these celebrities that are out there can look like us. And we are
They're just people
celebrities.
like us.
Hey, huh? Oh, thank you. They're telling us thank you, ka? You see, we always tell you guys that you do look like any celebrity that you can do, and you can be anyone you want to be if only you believe. Just believing in yourself.
That's true.
Hey, Mama, translations. We've done celebrity match up, and we've seen that we match up with some
Say it in a
celebrities.
kind way. Say it in a kind way. Nizaka Nandava.
Okay, so the
Nizabika
key
Nandava.
words if you want to ask someone
Yes.
for something.
Yes.
is
Bring it.
please.
Alright. She just said the correct way. Okay.
Can
Alright, so it's time for our translations, and I'm really happy that we are back on your TV screens with more translations. We've been looking at the sign language, we are looking at the alphabet. It's actually different. Sign language is a different language, like from all the languages. Eh, what's going on?
I'm translating what you're saying. So I
Leave
keep
it
on
there. Can you
saying
please leave it there?
learning sign language. So people think as if whatever you're saying is learning sign language. So you can keep on
No,
saying.
okay, please. Okay, can you just leave it there for now? Okay, so like I said, this is a unique language. It's not like ours where we get to exchange words with people, but for them it's signs. And it's a very interesting one. Like I've been saying, you get to meet a lot of different people in this world.
Exactly.
I won't meet Bridget every day, no. I'll meet some other people who are not able to exchange words with me. And we get to sign with them. We'll be able to communicate. This time I watched a certain lady, and she wasn't born deaf. But something happened to her, so she became deaf. But she's able to talk.
But she's not able to.
Yeah, she's not even able to hear. So surprisingly, that person was able to sing, and she was able to feel the beat. I was like, wow.
It's so emotional, guys. I'm an
amazing.
emotional person. I don't think I can be able to watch the full video
It
up to
was
the end
amazing.
without crying.
It was amazing. So let's just go
Did you
back.
cry?
Yeah.
She's not emotional. She's stunned. Voila. Uli
That's
we.
awesome to one.
Oh. Huh.
All right.
Maponya kona kamsozi.
Next time.
Hmm.
So,
Okay, say.
let me just say my translation, Bridget. Okay. So we've looked at A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M. And there's now someone who is able to spell their name in sign language, even though they haven't even finished.
So if you guys have learned how to spell your names in sign language or anything, just make a sentence of anything that you've learned. You can be able to come through or shoot a video. We'll be able to show it to the people that you've been
You
learning.
learned something, and like the way Joseph learned how to say
I think I'll shoot. Yeah, my brother will feel nice.
sign language.
I think I'll take a video of him. Uncle Nima will go. We'll go with you. You'll see my young brother.
He said, "I know how to."
He knows how to
I
do it.
think by the end of this day, he'll be able to spell his name. It would be another amazing thing.
I think I should also show him at the end of the show.
So I should spell his name.
Yes.
Okay, should remind me.
I remind
So,
you.
all right. So we looked up to we started from A up to somewhere M. So we'll start from A to M, then we'll continue to there, like we're in somewhere, I think T somewhere there. All right. So how do we say A? A, it goes like this. So this is A. Then B. Then C. C. That's it. C. Okay. So then we have D. So like this is a shape of D. Like if you look at it from the side, it looks like a D. Okay, D. Then E. E. Okay, someone is spelling E. E. Then F. F. Yes, and this is the simplest I think. F. Then we have G. G. I think this one should be okay. G. At least I should be able to send them another one now. So G. Then H.
H.
See what that was saying?
That most as Buddha.
Oh, people make me laugh. Okay, so this is H. Then I. I is the
But
second
keep on trying, Uncle Nima. You get it right. You get
I.
it right.
Then like J. So you just act as if you're like writing J.
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 Then K.
Hey.
Okay. Then L.
L.
L. So this is like almost a symbol for L. I like the way yours is coming out. I don't know if it's mine is also coming out the same way. I feel like this one is bent.
I feel like I'm out of breath.
Okay, L, then M. So this one, it goes down. Then you get the thumb, it goes on top. Then these three cover it up.
Okay. M.
Then N.
N.
So these two will now come down. Then the thumb will cover it. Then these two will come on top. So N.
N.
O.
O.
Like this is just like you're showing O. O. Then you remember the symbol for K, right? So K we said is like this, right? But we're now on P, right? So P, it will just come down, like it will face downwards. P, then Q, you get the symbol for actually H. Oh, for G, sorry. Then like, this one is simple.
So there's a G on my name. BRIDG. G. 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 Okay, yes, we can continue.
This is Q, please. So like, because Q,
Let's
G was like this,
go.
but it will now become like a Q.
I think I'll put a Q on my name.
Yes.
Q Club. Yeah, Q.
Yes. So those were the latest for today. So
We're just ending on T.
yes.
You said T.
So P, Q, R.
I think I need to go back on my alphabetical order. Put them in order.
All right.
Put them in order.
So I think we can start from A again.
We can start from A. Yeah, let's do it in the fast forward mode. 1, 2, 3. Let's go.
A.
A. B. C. D. O. E. F. G. H. I. J. K. L. O. P. Q. M. This.
N.
N. O.
Okay. P.
P. Q.
Exactly.
Aww, Thank you,
I know
Ania.
how to spell my name, by the way.
No, you have to say my young brother's name.
Amazing. By the end of the show, I'll be able to show him.
Okay, thank you. Thank you.
Alright, so thank you for watching our translations.
Mm-hmm.
I hope you're actually mastering these signs bit by bit, because it might be really hard at first. But just the interest should be there, so you'll be able to learn.
So you'll be able to learn different sign languages. I think we'll put a short video on our Facebook page so that everybody cuts up with us.
That's
I think
true.
we haven't been updating our Facebook page. We're really
For a
sorry.
long
We've been
time.
a bit busy because of maybe Uncle Mnem hasn't been showing in action.
Hey, you know.
He went to Italy,
Uh-huh.
and I think I hope he's clear without the coronavirus because
But he wanted to go to Norway. Is it Norway?
for real. My God. And we need to check his passport. I think we need to check his passport.
We're going to be in trouble.
But do very much go and visit our Facebook page. We'll be able to show you all these amazing and exciting things. And kodi muziva kuti tina YouTube page. What happening? I told you we look like celebrities and we start acting like celebrities now. I think we have a Facebook page. Yeah, since we're celebrities now and we do look like celebrities, we start
said-
acting
what
like
did you say?
celebrities. We have our YouTube page.
Alright.
This action, I
I
think
just don't know why.
but kodi muziva kuti tina YouTube page. In case simuziva, kodi muziva kuti mungatitambe live nga muli mubasi mwenda kuchainda okuchaisa oro kumtendere oro ku Woodlands oro maybe ku Kabulonga kuli konse kwe muyenda kuti muziva kuti mungatitambe pa YouTube. Only takes you to buy bundles. We don't know how much bundles you can buy, but make sure kuti
Not even one quarter
mutitamba
bundles, you can be able to watch us, I'm sure.
pa YouTube.
Hey!
One
Because
quarter.
one quarter bundles, I think that's somewhere 75 MBs. You can be able to watch someone.
75 MBs pa YouTube.
Don't blame her. She
Ka
doesn't
video
have
kali
a phone.
hafu chabe.
As long as they've seen our faces.
Oh, that's what you mean. To be specific. But we love you so much, guys. But before we close, I do have a story for Enia. I want to tell her a story. It's been long.
Story?
You know, she always tells me I tell to my fake stories. Is it true, guys?
No, I've never said that.
Hey, you see, my
Never.
stories are always interesting. That's that you don't know any stories.
Genuine.
And you learn from me.
100% correct. nice stories, okay? I'm
And
really
if you
interested
take
in this
history
one.
at school, thumbs up. It's good that you take history. You'll be able to go back and learn about our forefathers, like the Zulu people, Shaka Zulu. So take me like
Shaka
my
Zulu,
girl.
Bridget.
I'm one of those history people who are celebs, like Shaka Zulu, Bridget Zulu. We are celebs. You always learn about us in history. Zulu
Okay,
people.
so what's the story all about?
Shaka Zulu.
It's the one you're telling me about today.
You should go and research on your own.
Oh, why?
Not to be spoon fed.
Yes, because you know stories. Why should I even
But
be?
panali
Tiritonze.
panali mukazi uyu mukazi zokondozerangana pamira every day vakamuza tipyanga mnyumba sezofunda suka mbale sezofunda enda kusukulu ukapunzira bwinobwino safunda nchito kungozangana pamira kumvera chebwino kuti niwabwino vantu olo muroad so vakamukambisako safuna kuzimvera chevija safuna kukambisako muntu uyose badzina yake zenelini Enia. So one day amai vake vabakambati pamira peugonda apa uzakamira chipimbo pamfeshi uzakasovosa chani wochita olo vantu zamba kukamba apa Enia vevija vyakondozimvera maningi safuna kukambisira vantu ndavanwabwino pamira ndevevima muzila vanyani mwana bwankayana vimarashi fulo kumenso tangana vimarashi vaini yakoze kulira pamira sezofundopolangana nakashimi kapera.
That was a short story.
Very short, just to teach you that
What's the lesson?
beauty without brains
Is
is
nothing.
nothing. So guys, always remember that you should be beautiful and you should have brains. Be a person who is beautiful inside out, in here and outside here. Don't always look at your beauty and say this beauty will take me. Yes, the beauty can take you everywhere,
China.
but as long as you have that
India.
beauty without brains, you are same as a container which is empty without water. So be a container which is filled up with God and also other things as well, because right here on Q Club we always teach you how to learn to be beautiful and intelligent. Chimalila every day.
Every day.
Chimalila every day. Well, we've come to the end of our show today.
Here to bed.
She doesn't want us to
I
go. We
don't
have
want.
to go. There's coronavirus. Ha! Look at you.
So don't remember to be safe at all times. Please do not endanger your lives.
Don't shake.
Be at home.
Don't shake hands. Show them, Kylie.
No, let's just show them our common greetings.
Hi, Ania.
So there's hi.
Hi.
Or there's this one. Or there's
But yeah,
there's also namaste.
we're in India, so go learn something from the India
there's
people.
namaste.
There's namaste.
So we have all these.
But do you know something good about our culture? We always believe in shaking hands, but we're going to reduce a little bit because our culture is all about greeting
like
and
shaking
hugging,
hands
shaking
and
hands,
stuff.
of course. But now it's che.
Che.
Mwibwanja. But at least you've learned something and hope you keep on liking our show every time and be part of us. Do not forget that very soon we'll have a free mic for you guys who've been liking our show and following us. We'll send you transport money from Chipata. That's if Corona is a seed. Ikasira, not that if. It's finished. All the way from Chipata to Lusaka, and we'll show your distance everywhere, and you'll be able to come on the show and say, I'm all the way from Chipata.
All the way.
I
All
love the
the
show.
way
I've
from
come to show you
Chipata.
guys how we have this beautiful language. Kukungo lankula tiala.
Tiala. Mauyo
Masuka,
siana
tiala.
siana. Kumasuka mtu wanga kukamba.
But let's not talk too much, guys. It's about time we go. And we go. Make sure you are a bit far away from your friend.
Distance.
Bye, guys.
Distance.
Bye, guys.
Be safe.
Be safe.
Be safe,
Bye.
guys.
In the end.